This is linen. It is one of the most incredible fabrics. I am a huge fan. If you've seen any of my videos, you'll know that I love linen and I use it all the time. So why do I love it so much? First things first, we all know linen wrinkles. It wrinkles so easily. The minute you touch it, it starts to crease. Now, you can see that in two ways. You can see that as your garment is crinkling. That's annoying. The other way you can see it is that it shows this is real linen. Linen is more expensive than fake linens and things that are trying to be like linen. This means that when you see those wrinkles that happen straight away, you know that that person is wearing linen. It means that the garment that has been made is made of linen. So it looks expensive. It looks like quality. It looks luxurious because everyone knows that this fabric, this textile, is more expensive than its counterparts that could be used in just the same way. So yes, the wrinkles are a bit annoying, but if you understand what those crinkles mean, it means you respect the garment that's being used. And if someone's made their own garment out of linen, they've gone into their pockets, bought linen for this project that they then sewed themselves. There's something in that that's quite nice. Yes, it crinkles, but it has some amazing properties and it is one of the most brilliant super fibers out there. Linen is made from flax. This is a grass that grows all over the world. It has been used for thousands of years, all the way back to the Egyptians. They were using linen because it's fantastic. There's a reason that in summer, everyone who knows is wearing linen. Linen is the natural air conditioning of the clothing world. To get a bit nerdy about this, the actual fibers that make up the linen textile have space in between them. They're hollow like this. This means that this can draw in moisture. That space is filled by moisture. So if you're wearing it on your skin, the moisture comes off your skin. It wicks the sweat. It's also quick drying. So that water that goes into those hollow spaces then evaporates really fast. Again, meaning that the linen feels dry quicker, but can also take on more water. So it's removing sweat from you and making you feel cooler in the process. This is why it's so valued. If you go to Tuscany in the summer, if you go to central Paris in the summer, everyone is dressed in linen, and that is because they know how good it is. Because of this hollow structure, the yardage of linen, so the linen that you use to make something, will be lighter. Linen feels lighter if you have the same amount. If I have the same amount of this in cotton, cotton will feel heavier because it isn't as hollow. The fibers aren't as hollow, making it up. So all that space that's used there to cool you down also makes the entire garment feel lighter. So again, in the summer heat, everything feels lighter. You're cool, your clothes aren't dragging you down. This is why it's used so much in those situations. So linen is absorbent, it's also strong. This is why it's such a good idea for a sewing pattern just like this. It's 30% stronger than cotton. Do you hear that? So it's a really strong, natural fiber, perfect for this sewing pattern, for an apron, something that is going to be used in a utilitarian way. It means that it's going to stand up to the pressures that you're going to put it under. If you're out in the garden, if you're woodworking in the workshop, this is going to be perfect for that, while also keeping you cool. Because it's so strong, it washes really well and it holds up, while other fabrics can sort of lose their shape as you wash them time and time again. Linen doesn't so much. It holds it straight, but it also starts to soften, and you get to know your linen garment. I've got all my summer shirts are made of linen, and over the years they start to sort of mold to you. After years of washing the linen, it will still hold that shape, but also have a beautiful soft texture. Once you've had linen for a while, it starts to soften. It doesn't lose its shape, but the actual fibers soften a bit, and it makes it feel more comfortable as well. So the longer you have your linen, the better it's going to feel, and it's going to last longer because it's stronger. It stands up to washes really well, but the best thing about linen is its antibacterial properties. In history, you're comparing this to things like wool. which invited bacteria and little critters to live in it. This did not. This is why it was so prized. You could wear this against your skin and know that you're not going to be transporting guests all around the globe. Linen is antibacterial. So what that means is bacteria doesn't grow on it, which is great. If you're using it for something utilitarian, it means that it's not going to hold the odors of the splashes and the stains that you're going to get upon it if you're using this as an apron. Also, all the sweat wicking that I talked about at the start, that doesn't hold the odor because of the antibacterial nature of linen. So it's taking all your sweat away, but it's also not hanging onto it like a man-made fiber will hold on to odors and smells. This is why it is a super fiber. Everyone should get some linen. You get what you pay for. There are other fabrics that cost less, and they are just beautiful. They're stunning. You can even get imitation linen. But the real stuff is fantastic. My last point, since we're sewing with linen, is that it is a dream to sew with. This does exactly what you want it to. So think of a plain cotton, a calico or a poplin or a lawn. You can finger press it. When you press it in a certain way, it stays that way and it goes under the machine beautifully. There's no slipping or sliding. Linen is exactly like that. So you can finger press it for one, just like that. If I just run my finger, do you see that crease? It creases easily. This is sometimes people's bugbear, but if you're sewing with linen, you're going to love it. Look at this. I'll just pull that there. Again, I've made that crease. So if you're thinking about seam allowances, things being turned up, really, really small parts as well, it's so good. So you can press it down before you then hit it with the iron and the pressure and the heat, and it's going to be perfect. So use your iron a lot with linen. Even though you can finger press it, pressing it with the heat and the pressure, and sometimes even the steam, really works well because it holds its position and means when you get under the sewing machine, you know where everything is and it's going to stay there. It makes it a dream to sew. So that is linen. That is why you should buy linen. If you're using this sewing pattern and making yourself a utilitarian garment like this, like an apron, linen is one of the best materials you can use for it. It really is an all-round fantastic material.